over 30 years, homeowners have placed their trust in our experienced hands to bring warmth, character, and timeless detail into the heart of their home. Never rushed, every piece is made with the same patience and precision today as it was when we started from humble beginnings in Ascot. Every window, every door. Skillfully made here in the UK, where advanced engineering tools meet traditional handcrafting. From the first conversation to the final fitting, we're with you every step of the way. Thoughtfully designed and engineered with accuracy for you and your home. The very best windows and doors are created where advanced innovation meets timber, and where durability is achieved through both engineered precision and human touch. Guaranteed not to rot for 50 years, our Accoya is sustainably sourced and crafted with state-of-the-art technology, ensuring strength, durability, and long-lasting peace of mind. Because no two homes are the same, every piece we create is bespoke, from town to country, engineered with accuracy, handcrafted with care, built with patience and purpose, for security, for warmth, for beauty. Built for you and the next generation, handed on with pride from our hands to yours. The Sash Window Workshop, built on trust.